Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to a new series of top tips. This is the first video in the top tips series. Take a look, really short video, a top tip for you as an owner of a Fiat 500 or for that matter any other car with air conditioning, so stay tuned. So welcome to the top tip series. Top tip number one. Okay, so here we are in a Fiat 500 colour therapy which has air conditioning. If your car has air conditioning, doesn't matter what the car is. Doesn't matter if it's a Mini, if it's a Ford Focus, a Fiesta, a Clio, a Fiat, you name it. Any car that has got air conditioning has this feature, which you may not know what it's for. I'm gonna tell you now. So the symbol there shows that we've got the aircon on. The car is nice and cool. Once your car is at the ultimate temperature, the cool temperature that you want it at, on the dial here, or if you've got digital climate control, you will have a button and you will have fresh air coming in from the outside, which is set on now, and you will have recirculation. So at the moment, petrol being really expensive, you want to try and save as much petrol as you can. Here is a top tip on how to save petrol whilst using your air conditioning. So as I said, once you've got that temperature set as you want, all you've got to do is turn it onto recirculation. You will immediately feel that the car is getting cooler. Reason being, if you leave it on that setting, when your car is cool, it's sucking hot air in from outside and having to cool it down, which is making the compressor work harder, which then makes you use more petrol. If you turn it on to recirculate, the cool air that's already in the car will get recirculated and recooled, but it will only obviously have to recool it a little bit to maintain the temperature. So that's a top tip. Once your car's at temperature, take it off of the recirculation so it's no longer sucking in hot air from the outside. Today it's 35 degrees, so I don't want to be cooling down 35 degree heat. I want to be recirculating the cool air that's already in the car, saving you petrol in the process. So thanks for watching. That's your first top tip. There'll be many more to come.